First, click on the search icon on your taskbar and type Device Manager, then open it. Once Device Manager is open, find and expand the Network Adapters section. If you don't see your Wi-Fi adapter listed, click on View at the top and select Show Hidden Devices. Now, if your Wi-Fi adapter appears in the list, right-click on it and select Update Driver. In the next window, choose Browse My Computer for drivers, then click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. After that, make sure the option Show Compatible Hardware is checked. You'll now see a list of available drivers. Select any suitable driver from the list and click Next to begin the installation. The driver will install within a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer. After restarting, your Wi-Fi should start working properly. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.